Take a look at the coolest cars from RiiRoo today. This upgraded monster ride-on is inspired by Hummer, and why not have your little one riding in style along with his or her best mate? You can do this because this is a two-seater ride-on car. Bring home the toughest vehicle for your little one. It's suitable for children of up to 8 years of age or up to 128 centimetres in height. Let's take a look at some of the standard features. Functioning lights, start-up engine sounds, integrated multimedia console, 2.4 GHz parental remote control, functioning horn, opening doors, and a safety belt.
If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more great content.
Let's take a look at the premium features. We give our customers the option to purchase our key-shaped USB sticks, which are compatible with this ride-on's onboard media player. All-wheel suspension maintains ride comfort on uneven surfaces. The low-high speed settings is great for those who aren't confident in their new ride. The adjustable suspension allows you to fine-tune the ride comfort for your child. Padded leather style seats, boot storage to keep their books and toys safely stored and out of the way. The spray painted finish is like no other car on the market. The Bluetooth connectivity features allows you to connect a phone or tablet to play music. If you would like to buy one of these great products, then go to our website at RiiRoo.com, where we offer free next day delivery as long as you live in the UK mainland and place your order before 1 PM.